Now, if this daily maintenance wasn't enough and something were to go wrong, the number one thing that we would want to do is change either the rubber dome that's on the end or the filter that's behind. Let me show you how. So the rubber dome on this device can be peeled away. And so if we peel it away, we can see that there's a little wax filter hiding behind this device. These come in a variety of different packages. So if we open up this package, you can even see that there's instructions within. On this one, we're going to rotate the wheel, and that allows there to be a little receptacle beside the garbage can. That's where we're going to dispose the old filter. So you would take the receiver or the speaker in your hand, and you would insert it into where that garbage can receptacle is, and you can see that it has extracted the old dirty filter. It's used up and it's garbage now. In the stage 2, there's another filter ready and waiting for it. We would just insert it, it snaps into place, and then there's a new clean filter ready to go. We then place that rubber cap back on, and it goes over top. There's no hard fast rule as to how often you should do this, but certainly anytime the device doesn't feel like it's working correctly, we would want to change that filter. These rubber domes are made out of medical grade silicone, and so they'll last often for a year or longer. That being said, if it looks like it's torn or damaged in any place, or it feels like it's too dirty to be able to be cleaned effectively, don't try to reuse them or clean them yourselves. Just replace them altogether. New domes will come in a variety of different shapes and sizes, but the principles remain the same. We would just take a new dome out of the package. The old one can be peeled off, and the new one is just placed over top until it feels nice and secure. When it's on there securely, it won't fall off at all.